Good morning, student. This is Jaya Miss. Starting with set 10, 11, 12. Kindly remove your textbook and notebook and let's solve the sums together. Problem set 10. Very easy sums. I'm going to solve two sums for you. $64,293 minus 28,547. Can you minus 3 from 7? No. So it will become, you will borrow from your neighbor, which is 9. 9 will become 8 and 13 minus 7 is 6. 8 minus 4 is 4. Then can you minus 2 from 5? No. So it will borrow from its neighbor, which is 4. So 2 will become 12 and 4 will become 3. So 12 minus 5 is 7. Can you minus 3 from 8? No. So we will borrow from another neighbor. So 6 will become 5 and 3 will become 13. So 13 minus 8 is 5. And 5 minus 2 is 3. Another sum. 37,058 and 23,469. Can you minus 8 from 9? No. So you will borrow from its next neighbor, from 5. So 5 will become 4. Now can you minus 4 from 6? No. And 18 minus 9 is 9. Can you minus 4 from 6? No. So what you will do? Borrow from its neighbor. Now 0 will become 9. And 7 will become 6. See children, you have to make columns and then solve it. 9 minus 4 is 5 and 6 minus 3 is 3 and 3 minus 2 is 1. Kindly solve question number 3 and 4 as homework. By another method. In your textbook there is another method we are using for subtraction. So let us solve. It is little, I won't say it is complicated, but you have to just pay attention. Let's see. First number is 7,534 minus 3,786. Now let us write this number. This is an example sum, okay children? 7,534 minus 3,786. See, can you minus 4 from 6? No. Traditional method, which is our old method, जो हमारा old method है, उसमें हम क्या करते हैं? What we do in it? We borrow from our neighbor. Okay, the neighbor is 3. Here we don't have to borrow. We just have to minus. We have to just cancel 14 and write. Cancel 4 and write 14. Now 14 minus 6 is 8. And the number which we were supposed to borrow from our neighbor, we are going to write down and then add these two number. Add 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 क्या हो जाता है? What it becomes 9 and above it will be 13. So 13 minus 9 is 4. Understood? Instead of carrying it up, we have to add it with the below number. So it will become 4. Now let us see the next number. Directly what you will write children? See, 7 plus 1 is 8. You have to do it here. and 5 you will write 15. Directly you write 15. So 15 minus 8, because 7 plus 1 is 8. 15 minus 8 is 7. Sorry children, 15 minus 8 is 7. And 7 minus 3, no, you will add 1 here also, because the number which you were supposed to carry up, you are adding it with the below number. Nothing to worry, let us just solve 2-3 sums, you will understand. Now 7 minus 4, because 3 plus 1 is 4, so 7 minus 4 is 3. Now let us solve the exercise, so you will understand how we are going to do it with a different method. Problem set 11. Let us begin. Now children, can you minus 3 from 6? No. What you will do? You will directly write 13. Write 13. You will cancel 3 and write 13. And that 1 which you are borrowing from your neighbor, instead of writing up, where you will write? You will write below 5. So 5 plus 1 is 6 and 1 will become 11. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 11 minus 6 is 5. That one you will carry at 2's place. Now children, you can directly minus 5 plus 5 minus 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. Now you can't carry minus 5 from 8. So you will directly write 15. 15 minus 8 is 7 and 1 you will write below 4. Wherever your, see, now 8 minus 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5. 8 minus 3 is, 8 minus 5 is 3. So you can directly write the number, and the number which you were going to borrow from your neighbor, you will write down. See, 9 minus 3 is 6. Then 11 minus 2 is 9. That 1 you are carrying it here. 5 minus 5 is 0. 7 minus 7 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 3 minus 0 is 3. And 1 minus 1 is 0. Nothing to worry. If you will do the exercise, you will understand. See, now 1 minus 3 you can't, but you will write directly 11. Okay children? 11 minus 3 is 8. You will, instead of carrying the number above, you are adding it down. So 10 minus 3 is 7. How 3? 2 plus 1 is 3. So 10 minus 3 is 7. 5 will become 15 and 15 minus 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. So 15 minus 9 is 6. Same. 4 will become 14. 14 minus 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. No? So 14 minus 8 is 6. And that 1 you will carry it here. 13 minus 6 will be 7. 1 it is here. 8 minus 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 8 minus 4 is 4. And 6 minus 2 is 4. I hope children you have understood the sums. Can you minus 7 from 8? No. So you will borrow from your neighbor. But here we are not borrowing. We will directly write 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. 1 you will write below 3. Okay? See. And 2 will become 12. So 12 minus 4, because 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay. 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 will become 18. 1 you will write here. So 18 minus 10 will be 8, because 9 plus 1 is 10, no? Then again 1 you will write here. 3 will become 13. Whenever you are borrowing, you will write down, okay, the number. 13 minus 6 is 7. 1 again down. 4 minus 3 is, 4 minus 1 is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. And 4 minus 1 is 3. 8, 1 you have written here. Above 4 will become directly 14. We are adding 10 to it. 14 minus 5 is 9. That 1 you will carry it below 5. So 3 will become 13. 13 minus 6, because 5 plus 1 is 6. 13 minus 6 is 7. 2 will become 12. 12 minus 5 is again 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. 1 will become 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. 1 you will write here. Whatever you are carrying, you will write below, not above. 0 will become 10. 10 minus 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. And 7 minus 3, because 1 you have written near 2, below 2. So 7 minus 3 is 4. Three minus 8. 3 will become 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. Now 1 you will write below 4. 1 will become 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. How 5, children? 4 plus 1 is 5. Now 6 plus 1 is 7, and 2 will become 12. So 12 minus 7 is 5. 1 you will write below 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 1 will become 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. Again you will write 1 below, and 0 will become 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. Because 5 plus 1 is 4. 1 again you will write below 7. So 8 minus 8 is 0, and 3 minus 3 is 0. Children, I hope you have understood the other way of solving the subtraction. Prathamesh wants to buy a laptop worth rupees 27,450. He has 22,975 rupees. What is the amount he still needs to be able to buy the laptop? See, let us solve problem set 12, first sum. Okay, what information we have? Information about this sum. So let us solve. Price of the laptop. Price of the laptop is 27,450. Now, how much money Prathamesh has? Money Prathamesh has. So you will write this way, okay? Money with Prathamesh, or Prathamesh has money. That is 22,975. Right, children? Now you need to find how much more money he needs to buy this laptop. How much money he needs to buy this laptop? He's short of money. No, he's not having full money. He's having less money. So how much more money he requires? So it will be subtraction, minus. So the last statement will be, let us minus. 10 will become 0. We will borrow from its neighbor. Similarly, we will write 15 up, 1 down. So 15 minus 7 is, 15 minus 8 is 7. You will write 1 down. Above you will write 14. So 14 minus 10 is 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So the amount still required by Prathamesh is 4,475. Last sentence. Prathamesh still needs rupees 4,475. See, you can solve with this method also, this subtraction method, or your old method also. Any method you can use. So what you do, one sum you solve with this method, another sum you solve with the old method. Okay, now let's see the second sum. A company produced 44,730 scooter in a certain year and 43,150 in the next. How many more scooter they produce in the previous year? Okay, so what information we have? Let us see. Scooter produced in, or scooter manufactured. Produced also you can write, or manufactured, whatever you want to write. Manufactured in certain year. See, the year is not given, so we are writing certain year is 44,730. And scooter manufactured in next year. Second statement. In next year, 43,150. So how many more scooter did they produce? What is the difference in the previous year? What is the difference between these scooters produced in both the years? So how many more scooter did they produce in previous year? So 0 minus 0 is 0. 3 will become 13. 1 you will write down. 13 minus 5 is 8. 7 minus 2 is 5. 4 minus 1 is 3 and 4 minus 4 is 0. So it is answer will be scooter they produced 1,580 more scooters in previous year. Okay, children, kindly solve sum number 3, 4 and 5. It is homework, you can solve and upload in the group.